In less than a week, I passed $200,000 in profit from capital using one of the most powerful Forex entries that you can find. Now, out in the window with that foofy type of entries that get you so much drawdown and hitting stop loss. If you're gonna learn the strategy which I'm gonna share with you guys in this video, you'll get the most powerful entries. Now, in fact, you guys asked on the previous video for the entry, and I'm delivering it for you guys in this video. With that being said, let's get to the chart and I'll show you guys the most powerful Forex entry on the Forex market. So now that we're on the chart, traders, it's very important to note that for my entry on the Forex market, listen up, you need to have one of these indicators which we call the moving average. So you're gonna go to indicator on top and search moving average, simple, the one over here, click on it and then it'll go on your chart. Now you need that settings, okay? There's a specific settings, so you're gonna click on here and you can put on the 100, okay? Style, black. Once that is done, you say okay. Next thing you want to need to understand is that majority of people are either gonna buy off it when the market is above the moving average, or people are gonna sell with it below the moving average. So for example, people are looking to sell when the market is below the moving average like this here, right? Remember, let me do this for you guys an example. So the market will have some sort of uptrend like this, either going up like that, and then the moving average will be at the bottom, right? So most people will tend to look for a retest to continue buying off it. Now that is incorrect. We are gonna trade against 90% of traders. As we know, 90% of traders are losing their money in 90 days. Therefore, it's best to do what they are not doing. And if they are all looking to buy off a simple moving average when it's at the bottom, then guess what? They are probably going to be losing. So we need to trade against them. Now, on the other end, traders, you'll find another way that the market is moving down, okay? When the market's moving down, the moving average tends to be at the top of the market. People usually wait for it to come back towards it and then sell off. Now we're not going to do that. We are going to trade against them. We're going to be looking to buy against them. This is a very important part, okay? So the entry comes to simply when the market breaks. Let's take for instance one of these trades. So here's the other example, guys. The one where I hit a 1:5 and actually passed my $200,000 in profit from capital. I use this entry. As you can see, most people are seeing a downtrend over here, which means they are looking for the sell. However, we always trade against most of the traders. On the other end, this is where our entry comes in. Because the moving average is above, what we're waiting for is simply for market just to break above it and then retest on the moving average. And as soon as the retest, we are taking the bar higher. So you wait for market to open, there it goes. It broke above. And then simply wait for the market to come right back to test it, and then we take the buy higher. You can see when market came back to test it, that is when you're going to take the buy. So right here, you could have taken the buy right when you tested here, risking at least 30 points down, right, to make back 60 points. Now what I did is I made it all the way to 1:5, and my take profit was all the way up till here where it says 3,928.66. And watch what happened. As you can see, market went crazy high, and at this point I was at $4,000. It came right back. I held onto my trade because I knew the entry was powerful, traders, and that's where your mind will be tested, your psychology will be tested, but you hold on to it because you trust your entry was perfect. And eventually what happened was market hits take profit crazily right over here. Once again, guys, your mentor Shaquille Smai explained to you guys one of the most powerful entries on the Forex market. So for more examples, I've came to the whiteboard to explain to you guys a little bit more. Now with that being said, guys, this is going to be an example for how to actually catch the sell entry on the market, right? Or a sniper entry. So usually the moving average will be below the candles. As you can see, markets tend to be above. If the market is kind of like trending up with the moving average at the bottom, it simply means they are driving orders, you know, like catching more people on the wrong side for up. They always think it's going to continue going higher and higher and higher. And then what I'm looking for is simply a big candle to snap down the moving average like here, break it really impulsively, and then I need a candle just to come back to retest it, and right over here I will enter sell down, and that's how I catch my sell entry. Very straightforward. Now got the one for a buy example, okay? So let's go through this example. Market will tend to trend down, driving people thinking it's going to continue selling lower, so people just keep selling. Just think about 90% of people are losing. So if 90% of people are looking to sell, right, thinking it's going to continue selling off, this is the moving average over here, all I'm waiting for is one candle to break above impulsively, and then the next candle just to retest it, and exactly when it retests here, I'm in for the big buy. And that is exactly how I caught it 1-5 that passed all my prop firm, my $200,000 prop firms. So why can't you do it? What is stopping you? Again guys, I really want to take you guys to a next level, okay? So I would really appreciate if you guys can just simply just like this video, subscribe, and join the free group down in the description. Also, with that being said, traders, this NFP this Friday, I'm live streaming completely free. If you do want to join right now, traders, then comment down below free stream, and I will reach out to you with a link you can join for this free streaming where I'll stream NFP and you can trade with me to pass your prop firms, get those bigger payouts, or actually just make big profits on your personal capital. With that being said, guys, you're made to Shakil Samar. I'm signing out. Cheers, traders.